And if that ice sheet gets big enough, then even though it's a solid chunk of ice, it can flow, forming these glaciers, and that flow brings that ice back to the ocean where it melts, breaks up in these icebergs, returns to the ocean, and the cycle continues again.
So with those slip lines, that is actually deformation of the material. Those are what we're going to find out when we start getting into crystalline structures, is that's dislocations moving through. Those are defects moving out of the material. And so this tells us a lot about what's going on. It also tells us why we need to have a certain distance between materials, because this material has been plastically deformed. This is in that strain hardening range. So if we get these indents too close to each other, the first indent will impact the hardness measurements on the next one. So there's certain guidelines within the ASTM specification.
So what you see here are animations of, on the right hand side, what happens when a hurricane's coming ashore and the ocean is responding to the very strong winds as that storm moves ashore. On the left you can see what happens in terms of wind damage.